Yes, here. Hi guys, Ethan here. I'm here. If will you press the button? Oh man, I love the echo. Will you? Will you? Will you? Will you? Press the button. You can conquer food and water, but every time you sneeze, a rapidly evolving colony of germs form and must be destroyed before they evolve to the point of needing to take over of Earth. So basically it's like have limited food, but you cause a plague. No. No, dude. No. No. Well, no, totally did not, dude. I will not. 41% people pressed it. 59% did. Nice. Sneeze into a bucket of hand sanitizer. What about the other 0.01%? Okay. Good lemon. What do you think? Will you press the button? You are able to end all suffering. But nobody will remember you after seeing you. So it's like you're a hero, but no one remembers you. It's like a ninja. You know, like ninjas, they see the day, but no one remembers them. So they're ninjas. They're really sneaky. Yeah, I'll press it. Being pressed it, did not. Yeah, see, good one, dude. Good one, good one, good one, good one. Well, your best mind. All superheroes and superheroes are real. But the epic showdown goes down in your house and destroys everything you have. Wow. Ooh. Nah. Aw, man. Nah. Half press button. Yeah, see, no. Hey, look. Look at this one, guys. I'll make Batman buy me a new house. Cause yeah, he's Bruce Wayne. He's like multi-billionaire rich. You will get every champion and skin in the game League of Legends, but you would have to play Teemo at least twice after every victory. Oh man, if I Teemo, at least twice after every victory. Is he a bad character then? So I never played Teemo. I'm just gonna press it cause YOLO. Okay. I pressed the button. 2% did not. Nice. Perfect. I do not have to play. Laugh out loud. Just sell the account. It's extremely valuable if you have every skin in the game. Yeah, true. True. Echo. You can control and wait, you can control your and anyone else's future by writing it down in a note. Writing it down in a diary/notebook. But the book is linked to your lifeline. So if it gets damaged, you're severely injured/killed. Oh, dude. That's like crazy. You'd be so paranoid. It's like, that thing burns, you're burnt. Oh, you have to lock the thing up. No, thank you. Death Note. Exactly, dude. You can order anything online without anyone knowing for 10% off the original price. But everything you order will arrive 5 to 21 days late at your neighbor's house. So if I know it's going to be 5 to 25 days late, 5 to 25 days later, I'll have to go to my neighbor's house and be like, hey, I know you have my package, don't lie. Yeah, I'll process it. Yeah, see, like, 63% processed it and 37% did not. That's, yeah, good. Create a song that everyone loves. Boy. Barely anyone will pay attention to you or something. So it's like that one song everyone notices, but the rest of the album's like just out there just cause. Barely anyone will pay attention to your other songs. So, dude, what's one song, if you have copyright in that, you'll be a multi-billionaire. Like, the book, To Kill a Mockingbird, that's one book. And the family is a multi-billionaire. Yeah, press it. See, 71% and 29, yeah. See, exactly, dude. Okay. Any crush you will have will love you back. But every time you the bathroom, you must wipe with your bare hand. Aw, dude. No, I will not. See, yeah, exactly, 52%. You do not do that. Get toilet paper, name it Bare Hand Profit. Invent a toilet paper brand called Bare Hand. Dude, I'll do that. Get to have sex with any person that you want. Boy. Your life shortens by 50% each time you have sex. Get to have sex with any person that you want. Person! Your life shortens by 50% each time you have sex. So it's like, have sex. We die. No, thank you. No, bro. Come on. Do it. Dude, press the button. What's going on? Like downtown. There you go. I see, it's in a minority. Lots of wow on this website. A constant reminder of how terrible humanity is. If you get to have sex with them, that means they let you have sex with them. I think. No. I think. Oh my. Okay, last one, guys. Let's do this. That was an accident. Cancer, AIDS, and all other painful diseases become non-existent. Something new develops and infects you, but die before it can spread to others, so it doesn't matter. So it's like cure cancer, but you're sacrifice. Cure cancer, but you are sacrifice. Cure cancer, but you are a sacrifice.
Which one's better, man? Low or high voices? Cure cancer or you're a sacrifice? Yeah, totally, man. I'll do that. For the greater good. Yeah, see, this guy understands. Okay. So bye, guys. So see ya. And for this video, better come down, like this video, subscribe if you made me laugh, and better like, comment, subscribe. Force it. Subscribing. Have a good one. See you later, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. So see you guys. Don't have a good one, guys. Yeah, see you in the next video.